Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a PostgreSQL backup with pgBackRest on VPS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Install PostgreSQL on your VPS if you haven't already. Ensure that pgBackRest is installed on your system. First, configure PostgreSQL to allow the backup user to connect. Edit the PostgreSQL configuration file, usually found in /etc/postgresql/version/main/pg_hba.conf. Add a line for the backup user with the appropriate IP address. Reload PostgreSQL configuration by running sudo system / reload PostgreSQL. Next, create a backup user in PostgreSQL. Open the PostgreSQL command line interface by running psqlu postgres. Execute the command to create the backup role. Create role backup with login password your password. Grant the necessary privileges to the backup user. Run the command grant connect on database your _database to backup. Exit the PostgreSQL command line by typing \q. Now, configure pgBackRest. Create a configuration file at /etc/backrest/backrest.conf. Specify the PostgreSQL database name and the backup repository path in the configuration file. Set the repository type, for example, repo1 path equals /var/lib/backrest. Next, create the repository folder using sudo dir p/var/lib/backrest. Set the correct ownership for the repository folder. Run sudo chown or postgres/var/lib/backrest. Ensure the backup user is granted the necessary roles within pgBackRest. Edit the pgBackRest configuration file to specify the backup user and password. Next, run a backup to test the configuration. Execute the command /backrest stanza equals your _stanza_name backup. Monitor the output for any errors. If the backup is successful, proceed to the restoration process. To restore a backup, stop the PostgreSQL service first with sudo system / stop PostgreSQL. Run the command /backrest stanza equals your _stanza_name restore to restore the database. Once the restoration is complete, start the PostgreSQL service again with sudo system / start PostgreSQL. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.